Well, hey guys, got a new addition to the shop. I started the French Cleat wall the other day and I'm just finishing up. This is a charging station I built. And I've got more fixtures to make. Here's what I did. I really am liking it. Let's do a quick overview here. So this is my charging station. Let's zoom out. And then I attached this to a cleat with screws. Went on really well. I made this shelf. And I have a video of the making and I'm gonna put it out. So I sped this portion up because it's like watching paint dry. I use a small contractor's table saw just so I have more room. Oh, there comes the lovely Lorraine. Anyway, so the way I did this is I used 1x4s, just cut them in two. I have lots of plywood, but it's a little nicer plywood and I didn't want to waste it on French cleats. So anyway, this is how it was built. I just nailed them to the studs, made sure they were evenly spaced and level, and that's about it. It's not rocket science, but the goal of this is to get this more organized, get rid of my pegboard. And just as a side note, I got a sharpening fixture for my bench grinder. This is just a tool to you can adjust this. I'll be doing a review on this soon. Anyway, good night. Talk to you soon.